everyone, Jacqueline here. So today I'm at Costco and I want to share with you the plants that they have in. This is at the Regina location. And first off we're looking at is roses. And they look pretty good. They're already leafing out. These are the True Bloom roses. You get 2 individually wrapped roses. These say cold tolerant. These are zones 7 to 10 at Costco. So they are definitely not for my climate if you look at these. Next, we have bulbs, in particular dahlias, begonia, freesias, leotris, lilies. We're looking at hummingbird garden mixes. We're looking at dinner plate dahlias. Here are the begonias, Ordorosa, doubles. And down below we have the stargazers, oriental hybrids, and more dahlias, decorative dahlias, and cannas. I don't know if you guys remember in one video though, I did a video on buying buying tubers and buying cannas. So I bought both dahlias and cannas here at Costco, and when I opened them up at home, they had mold on them. They weren't the best. So beware, and because you can't see through these containers, you can't check to see what kind of condition they're in. They also have honeysuckle down here, phlox, peonies, Command Performance, Sarah Bernhardt, gardenia, and then assorted. Strawberry sequoia. I believe this is like Blue Paradise phlox. Fragaria anacea, strawberry. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Butterfly garden. Great big bags of peonies down below. Hostas, wild brim, gold standard, asparagus, trillium, dahlia mix here. This is a dahlia mix cactus. And then I think I'm just going to dig in here. We have this dahlia mix. This is Dahlia Mix Ball, really pretty. So if you're interested in dahlias and you trust Costco products, this is the time to pick up a few of your favorites. I mean, 7 bulbs, 7 tubers in a container, not too bad. If you're looking for houseplants, they have a nice variety of houseplants here at Costco. We've got snake plants, we've got beautiful figs, dracenias, other dracenias here. Really nice, good size, all $24.99. Dieffenbachias, gorgeous. And you can see the different dracenias, Dieffenbachias. These are really nice, good size plants. Cordyline. I really like the figs in particular. These are nice plants. I'll just zoom out so you can see a little bit better. They look really good. Rubber plants down here. Croton. Beautiful colors on the croton plants. More figs at the top. Snake plant. Nice looking rubber plants. The Dieffenbachias in particular are absolutely huge. They look really good. Over here, Monstera. Another Dieffenbachia, camouflage. And then pretty much the same thing down below. So good variety. So I hope you enjoyed checking out what we see at Costco for plants. And if you're interested, go over to your local Costco and they got a good variety. I prefer the house plants over the bulbs because they look really good.